I've been an entrepreneur since '97. It's been my sixth business, I believe. I think it's always been a struggle, especially early on, to get financed. Back in the early days, governments were pretty good at providing grants and so on to finance the early development. But in recent years, if you don't have sales, you pretty much have nobody that want to finance you unless you have a rich family to support you. It's really hard to get started. So that's the main reason that we wanted to design a crypto asset that was optimized to finance a business and support them for the long run. So what we build is not meant necessarily for a business that is seeking to be a unicorn and have an exit. It's really built for all the businesses that are trying to be sustainable for the long run, because they are really often just the black sheep of the investment industry. Nobody wants to really finance them except banks with loans, but saying it's not always the easy, unless you have assets to seize. Banks are often not that supportive, so it's hard to get started.